Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to quickly transform any image into a beautiful woodcut. You can download this document so you can follow. Link is in the video description. Enable the woman layer. Take the lasso tool. Make a rough selection of the woman head. Click on the mask icon. Go to Adjustments and select Black and White. Shift-click on the woman layer to select both layers and press Ctrl-E to merge. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Expand Sketch folder and select Stamp Filter. For balance type 10. Smoothness 1. Click OK. Go to Select. Color range. Select Shadows. Fuzziness 40. Range 100. Click OK. Click on the mask icon. Right-click on the layer and convert into Smart Object. For blend mode, select Soft Light. Click on the FX icon and select Bevel and Emboss. Style, Inner Bevel. Technique, Smooth. Depth 100. Direction, Down. Size 3 pixels. Soften 0. Angle 60. Altitude 16. Gloss Contour. Gaussian. Highlight mode, Screen, 30%. Shadow mode, Multiply, 80%. Click OK. We're going to make the image more visible. Go to Adjustments and select Levels. Move this slider little bit to right, and this one little bit to left. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.